Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Maps on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the source bar at the top, type Google Maps and then hit the search button. Once the app appears in the search list, tap on it to open its details page. Finally, tap on the Get button or a cloud icon with an arrow pointing downwards to download the app. And this is how you can install Google Maps on iPhone.
Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.